Hello everyone. This week we've read the double portion of Vayakhel-Pekudei, the final chapters of the book of Exodus. As we stand in these challenging times searching for sources of resilience and hope, these parashot offer us more than just an ancient architectural plan. They offer a blueprint for the soul of Am Israel. They remind us that even in the desert, even in the wilderness of uncertainty, we have the power to create a dwelling place for the divine among us. We begin with Vayakhel, and Moshe gathered. In these days, gathering isn't just about physical proximity. It's about spiritual alignment. The Torah uses the word keilah, community, because a pile of stones is just a heap, but a building is a masterpiece. When we gather with a shared purpose to protect one another, to pray for one another, and to build for one another, we transform from a collection of individuals into a singular, unbreakable vessel. We learn that our greatest defense is not just our walls, but our togetherness. The text speaks of the Chacham Lev, those wise of heart. True wisdom in Am Israel today is the emotional intelligence to see the pain of your neighbor and the courage to offer a hand. In the desert, some gave gold, some gave silver, and some gave simple goat hair. The lesson for us is clear. It doesn't matter how much you have to give. What matters is the realization that the tabernacle of our people is incomplete without your specific contribution. Your prayer, your service, your kindness, your resilience, these are the fabrics of our national Mishkan. We conclude with Pekudei, the meticulous counting of every material used. Why such detail? Because in the eyes of the Creator, nothing is lost and no one is extra. When spirits are low, it's easy to feel like a small, insignificant part of a giant, painful history. But Pekudei teaches us that every thread was counted, every soul matters. When the cloud of glory finally descended upon the sanctuary, it didn't just rest on the gold, it rested on the whole. As we finish the book of Exodus, we cry out together, Chazak, Chazak v'nitchazek. Be strong, and let us strengthen one another. Strength is one of the most important qualities. Strength is not a solo endeavor. We are strong because we strengthen each other. In these days of shadow, remember, we are a people of gathering and accounting. We gather our hearts and we account for every brother and sister. May we see the cloud of glory return to us, bringing peace, protection, and a renewed spirit to all Am Israel. Shabbat Shalom.